sing well without lessons. Learning how to sing well takes a lot of work. As such, singing lessons can come in handy, especially if you're very new to the craft. But what if you cannot or do not want to take lessons? What then? Below are some tips that you might find helpful. Practice regularly. Record and listen to yourself singing. Take note of any problem areas and work on them. Do this as many times as you need to. Sing in front of your family and friends, then ask for honest feedback. Find your vocal range. This will help you determine what songs you can sing and how you can sing them. It is also very important that you take care of your singing voice. Make sure that you keep yourself hydrated, don't strain yourself too much, and give your voice a rest from time to time. Now that we have that covered, it's time to ask, what is keeping you from taking singing lessons? People have a lot of reasons why they aren't taking singing lessons. Some of the most common ones are below. I don't have the time. I cannot afford it. Professional singing lessons are expensive. I don't think I am good for lessons. I need to practice some more before I get professional coaching. I don't need lessons. My voice is good enough. Do any of them sound familiar to you? Let's tackle these lessons one by one. I don't have the time. Most singing lessons require at least 5 hours a week, and it is safe to say that some people just do not have the time to spare. If you are worried about time, try online singing lessons instead. These are unique because they allow you to learn at your own pace using your own schedule. You can find more information about online singing lessons here. I can't afford it. Professional singing lessons can be quite expensive. It helps if shop around. Do an online search for music lessons offered in your area. You may also want to visit your local community center, as most of these places offer singing lessons. They may also be able to direct you to someone offering singing lessons at an affordable rate. It's also a good idea to check if there are online singing lessons that are within your budget. I don't think I am good enough for lessons. Some people are kept back from taking singing lessons because they believe that you cannot take lessons when you are a complete amateur. This cannot be further from the truth. There are a lot of lessons out there that cater to all sorts of singers. It does not matter if you are a complete beginner. I don't need lessons. Everyone needs lessons. Trust us. Even the best out there still had to go to lessons in order to perfect their technique. You do too. Raw talent only takes you so far. At the very least, singing lessons are going to point out what your strengths are and where you need improvement. How about you? What are your reasons for not taking music lessons? If you want to be an expert, this is a proven way. To know more, click the link in the description below for the complete lesson.